Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. We're going to start with blending phonemes, so get your choppers ready. I will say each sound, you repeat them, and then we'll blend the word together. Here we go. As, has, ax, wax, sad, sad, at, mat, ab, cab, at, pat, sap, sap, van, zap, zap, tax, tax. Good job. All right, let's get ready to roller coaster some words. Remember, regular voice, kind of loud voice, regular voice again. Here we go. The word is dip. Dip. The word is sit. It. The word is him. The word is big. Big. The word is fin. In. The word is lit. It. The word is will. Il. The word is kick. Ick. The word is zip. Zip. And the last word is did. Id. Good. Now we're going to segment some phonemes. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we will chop it into its 3 separate phonemes or sounds. Tax, ax, zap, zap, van, van, sap, sap, pat, pat, cab, cab, mat, mat, sad, sad, wax, wax, has, as. Good job. Okay, get your fists ready. We're going to do some phoneme substitution. So I'll say a word, and then we'll replace the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is bag. Change b to t. Tag. The word is tap. Change t to r. Wrap. The word is lab. Change l to k. Cab. The word is fat. Change f to h. Hat. The word is can. Change k to f. Fan. Good job. All right, we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part of the word, the rhyme, and then we'll add the beginning sound, the onset, to make a new word. The word is at. Add b to the beginning. Bat. The word is in. Add f to the beginning. Fin. The word is am. Add r to the beginning. Ram. The word is ill. Add w to the beginning. Will. The word is it. Add s to the beginning. Sit. All right, last one. We're deleting phonemes. So we'll say a word and then we'll remove the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is wig. Without w, the word is ig. The word is dab. Without d, the word is ab. The word is rib. Without r, the word is ib. The word is tap. Without t, the word is app. The word is bag. Without b, the word is ag. Good job today. Don't forget to practice your new poem.